YouTube channel where I review small businesses and big businesses that support small businesses. And today we are reviewing Drop Dead candles. I have been so excited to get this package. I love all their designs. One of these candles in here is a gift from one of my best friends. So I'm just excited. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. All right, so it came like this. Okay, pretty sturdy box, which you know how I am. I like everything to be secure. All right, so I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I'll do it like this so we can both look at it together. Ooh, it is tight, which I like. That's good. That means it's secure in there because these are candles. Ooh, all right. Okay, don't want anything to fall out. All right, so it's got paper and stuff, which is good. Okay, so it has this on the outside. How cute. Okay, so it says Babe Candle, Drop Dead Candles. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to leave that to the side because I have no idea, but I'm going to pull out this box out of the big box so I can actually handle it better. All right, go ahead and put that down there. Okay, so when you open it up, it has a business card, which is appreciated. Actually, yeah, it is a business card. And then, aw, this is so cute. It says you are thrilled about your new friends. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Okay. So it also has a Happy Holidays card. Even cooler. Okay. I like that it comes packaged like this. So if you do order something like this and you just send it to someone like as a gift, it's already packaged. Already looks beautiful. You don't even have to think about it. Love when small businesses do that. That's why you shop small. Okay, so I'm gonna unwrap each one of these beauties, okay? So I did get the tri-colored one, which came with the lightest, medium, and dark, okay? And then this whole candle set is $45.70. Shipping was $5.14. Okay, so this one is the lightest Babe. And we'll go ahead and unwrap her. Oh. Okay, so they're plus size beauties. They do have different sizes, but of course I am a thicker girl myself, and I wanted to get the thicker one, but oh my gosh, and the weight is so nice, and I love that it's a candle. Okay, so I have to wrap it back up. I'm one of those people. Okay, so, and then this is the medium shade. Oh. And I love that. Okay, so I love that she has back rolls, and I love that she has like a tummy line. I don't know. Right when I saw it, I was like, ah! I was like, realistic. I love this. And, you know, her tatas aren't like up too. So, I mean, just beautiful. Okay, so this is the medium shade. Gorgeous. Okay. Let me go ahead and roll her back up. I don't want anything to happen to these candles. And I'm giving that medium shade to my best friend. Okay. And look at this beauty. Gorgeous. Same type of outlay, you know, has the bud and, you know, the extra. But look at her. I'm so excited to like display these. Oh, it is so pretty. I don't think I'll ever burn these. So just to let everyone know, I don't think I'm burning these, but you can. I've saw one thing, and I love that at the bottom it has more of these worms. It's cool. And I love that it's sturdy inside there just because they are candles and, you know, they could break. So I love that they went that extra mile for, you know, the people that are buying their candles. That's just awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the review. All right, so before I do the review, this was just like a little extra that they gave, and I'm guessing, oh, it smells really nice. I wish it had what the smell of it is. Oh, but that does. That smells really nice. Okay, and it's like a little tea light, just a little extra thing that they threw in there, and I love this little bag. Definitely gonna reuse it for something. I feel like I can store things inside of there. Pretty nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the review. Shipping took 22 days. Now, I know that they actually like pour these, and like I know that they had a crap ton of orders. Definitely 5 squeaks for me. Oh, and if you haven't been here before, I rate everything with squeaks because I have a guinea pig, and if I can put him into anything that I do, I will, and his squeaks are amazing. So 5 squeaks equals 5 stars, 1 squeak equals and then 0 squeaks equals I'm never going to suggest you to buy from this business. And if this business scores above a 4.5 with me, it means it gets a purr, and purrs are great from guinea pigs. So that equals I think you should buy from this company. All right, cool. So shipping, I already said it, 5 squeaks, definitely 22 days to have some hand poured candles and everything like that, and 5 squeaks. Quality, they're very consistent. Like I saw like maybe like some differentiation like between each one of them, like a little bit, but I know that just comes with like hand pouring items. But I mean, quality control, they all look really nice. So I'm going to say 5 squeaks for that. Packaging, those things were in there, super secure. I love that it came inside of a box that wasn't bendable or breakable. So we're going to go ahead and say 5 squeaks for that. And then design, 5 squeaks. Design is so cute. Just like I said, I love that it is a bigger woman and that it's like natural looking and it's not perfect. Like she's just natural, and no diss on any other body types or anything like that, because I think all women and men are beautiful and handsome, or whatever you like to be called. But I really feel like this company is definitely worth it. For $45 with $5 with shipping, so that makes it about $50 for these 3 candles that were hand poured. Definitely scores 5s across the board for me. All right, Stuart, is it a purr of a company? It is? Go ahead and tell him. Oh, all right. It's purred. All right, so this is a little cut-in. I wanted to show you even more in the sun how beautiful this is. Like, it definitely looks well sculpted. I love that there is indentions. I definitely wanted you to get the beauty of how they actually created it. I just really appreciate all the extra details that they put in there, even the happy holiday card. So I'm going to have all their stuff linked below. Go to my Instagram. You'll see these up close and in person. Go ahead and follow me. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. And that would make my day. And hit the like button because, that also would make my day, just to know that you actually are enjoying my videos. Comment down below if you've ever bought from them or who I should buy from next. But remember, when you're buying from a small business, you're not buying from someone that already has $1 billion. You're buying from someone like me and you. And what a wonderful world we could live in if all of us got to do what we loved and got paid for it. I hope you have a wonderful day because you deserve it. Bye.